Hey guys, my name is Sharmise Idris from Charmed Bath and Body, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how to make lip balm. So if you want to make lip balm, then stay tuned and make sure you check out the blog post below, because not only will I be showing you the correct measurements, I will also have a little printout that you can put for labels on your lip balm. Alright, so first you're going to start off with 3 tablespoons of beeswax. You can put that in a double boiler, but I don't actually have one. So what I did was boil a small pot of water and then put a heat resistant or a heat safe bowl over it. And I do put that beeswax in first just because it takes the longest to melt. Next you're going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa butter, and I love the smell of cocoa butter, but if you don't, you can always add essential oils later. But cocoa butter actually acts as a protective barrier, supplying and maintaining moisture in your lips. And then you're going to want to add 2 tablespoons of shea butter, which acts as an anti-inflammatory and is great for healing and preventing chapped lips. And make sure you mix it up because it does help it melt faster. And also cutting it into smaller chunks helps melt faster as well. Alright, next you're going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which also helps add moisture. So next I actually cut off the heat and added 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Now I like castor oil because I think it adds a shine to my lips. Now if you don't want castor oil in it, you can also switch it out for jojoba oil or like sweet almond oil, or you can just leave it out of the recipe completely. And finally, I add 5 drops of vitamin E oil, which helps promote cell turnover and regeneration. So next you'll want to get your tubes ready so that you can start pouring. Now what I have is actually from Amazon, and I can put it in the description box below. But it's a lip balm kit, and it came with 50 tubes, a tray, and then a scrape thing for the top, just to make them look all clean and nice. And if you don't want to get this because you probably won't be making a lot of lip balms, you can just rubber band all your tubes together, but I'm a little too clumsy for that, so this is what I have. Alright, and the final step is just to let it dry for 15 to 30 minutes, and then remove them from your tray or your rubber band, and then cap them, and then all you have to do is put your labels on them. You can find the labels in the blog post in the description below. You just have to print them out on some label paper, cut them up, and then put them on your tubes.